Good afternoon, everyone. How's it going? Sorry if I hold the camera down here. It's just because I'm on a main road and I feel super awkward doing this in public. But if you guys want to be a Lyft driver, before this video gets started, go ahead and use my link in the description for a sign-on bonus. It's going to help you make an extra $1 to $2 per ride that you do in your first 30 or 60 days, depending on your market. And that's huge. So that's a reason why Lyft is actually doing better than Uber, is because they're giving away these huge sign-on bonuses. And I have a personal one for all you guys. So go ahead and use that. It's gonna be the first link in the description. All right, so I wanted to make this video really quick because I do have a medium-sized audience, and I think it is my duty to share this with all you guys. Lyft and Uber are giving away free rides on election day. I don't know the entire terms. I should have looked that up before. But they're giving free rides to polls to vote. And I think that's really awesome because, as citizens of the United States, I know there are international watchers here, but this only applies for the United States, that Lyft and Uber is giving away free rides for people to vote. And I think, I'm taking a history class right now, and I'm really bad at history, so I don't know a lot, but, as citizens and people, we have fought for our right to vote, immigrants alike. That has been a big struggle for a lot of immigrants to be able to vote. And sorry if I butcher this, but I think it is our duty as U.S. citizens to vote. And if you're not voting out there, then, you're not doing our country much good. Maybe you're not very informed, and I understand if you were, quote unquote, ill-informed for you to not vote. But I think it's our duty to be informed and just do your research, know what you're voting for before you go in there. And I think yesterday was actually the last day to register to vote. So I should have actually done this before, but if you have registered, then get out there and vote. And if not, then do it next year, or do it during the other elections. There's tons of ways to get involved, but I just wanted to say thank you to Lyft and Uber for providing free rides to everyone. And make sure I'm going to leave a link in the description for you to see all the terms, on how you can get your free ride to election polls and whatnot. But anyways, if you guys are thinking about being a Lyft driver or an Uber driver, I recommend doing Lyft because their sign-on bonus is way better. Go ahead and use my link in the description for a huge sign-on bonus. All right, thank you guys, and long live America. I don't know. All right, bye.